Hello guys, here I want to move the access motor, so I temporarily set up the power sources here, and this is the breakout board, and this is the controller. This is the stepper servo motor or EC hybrid servo motor, and the controller. This is the controller. Leashing. That is a good pieces. Actually, I also set up the wire for the limit switch, but in this demonstration I didn't test it. I test the Z-axis motor, and for the X-axis motor here I already tested. And for the computer, it's an old computer. It's also temporary. All these electronic and power supply stuffs are just for temporary use, for just moving it up first at the first time. And this is the Linux CNC. And okay, let me try it. Not work here. I move it upward. There's no limit switch now, so I must move it carefully. And I am now checking the barrel. It's not very good. Actually, there is broken one here. I will remake it. I think it's the lowest portion, lowest location. I don't remember how much is output here. About, I think 10 to, it's almost 10 inch in the throttle. I don't remember. And this side barrel on the right side. It's heated. And also here is the shield. The box is the Z-axis motor cover, and there is upper shield and the lower shield. Lower one is just a pieces. Upper one, there are 3 pieces. reverse. When it's almost the lowest point, or it will hit the table. And here is the, you can see the bell, the moving bell. There's much sound from the barrel when it collapses or extends. There is much sound. And now I switch to the axis motor, and I remove it. There is limit switch on the back, and it should stop there. No, yes, it stopped. There is no wire connect to the front limit switch, so I need carefully. And the bell rotated at the back. Now turn on the light. You see the pulley and the spindle rotation. Thank you for your watching. Actually, I will use the master card to drive it, to control it. But now I order it, and I'm waiting for the receiving. And I hope I will demonstrate it soon. Thank you for your watching. And now is the turn of the y-axis, and the Z and x-axis I use this model HBS 186 driver, and the motor is 13.4 frames and 4 Newton torque. But for the y-axis I use a less power. This is 24 frame, and I think it is 3 Newton in torque. And the driver is this HBS 57S. Now it's driven by, the power is 14.5 volt, I think 14.5 volt AC, and it's belt drive here. The pulley ratio I can't remember. Is actually I haven't set it correct in the driver gear ratio, but there is no problem just for testing it. It's moving. I think it's the 1/3 1:3 gear ratio, 1:4. I'll try to move it. I need to take caution. I haven't installed the wire on the limit switch. And you can see the shield sheet operated. We'll put on this side. It's still okay. Okay, the gear pulley is operating. Is expected. All 3 axes was tested. Thank you for your watching.